This is a model 1212 Mac 17-inch MacBook. And screen bezel is broken. Missing a key. Taken the MacBook apart completely, blew it out, cleaned it out. Cleaned up everything on the inside. Put new thermal paste on the CPUs. And the main problem with this Mac is that its screen bezel is busted, as you can see. Completely broken. All the way around. On these two sides, anyway. There's the bottom of it. MacBook Pro. No fixing it. Now, as I mentioned, this is the model 1212. And I went on eBay, tried to figure out, well, find one to replace it with. And they're not cheap, but I could not find the model I was looking for. So I tried to find a reference online as to what models, what bezels will be interchangeable between different MacBook Pro models, and I couldn't find anything, so I took a chance. So as I was saying, I took a chance and I ordered one. This one says it's from a model 1229. I hope you can see that right there. And near as I can tell, it is pretty much identical. Show you the top. And we'll turn it over and show you the back sides. And the one on top is the busted one. The one I'm wiggling is the busted one. Look at that place. I'll show you the bottom. Again, the one that's wiggling right now, that's obviously the busted one. I'm just trying to show you every comparison I can make here. As I said, it appears to be the same. And we will be attempting to install it. Well, after I tried to put the LCD panel in the bezel, it appears there may be a small difference. And it is that little metal tab right there by my finger. It wouldn't allow the LCD panel to sit flush. And it may be that it can be just popped up out of the way. Again, the one I'm wiggling is the old one. And I'll put it up on its end so you can see that everything on this side appears to be the same. I can do it one-handed. There. Again, this one is the old one. And my new one, you can see the tab sticking through. I'm not sure. It may be that it can just be popped off. I am attempting to do that right now. Oh, yep, there you go. Just came right off. I don't know. It was leftover from the manufacturing process, perhaps. It appears to be magnetic. Here we are, the old bezel from a model A1212, where it broke, and now installed on that same model 1212. Again, there's a missing key, and there it is. Remember, this is a bezel from a model, what was it? Hang on. From model 1229. And everything lined up. Oh, by the way, that little magnetic piece that I didn't know what it was. Well, it turns out it was the magnet for the sleep feature. I had to put it right back, right about in here, in a little notch in the side of the bezel. In fact, I can show you that notch on the old one. It was that hole right there. Without it, the thing won't go back to sleep. But it fit perfectly. No issues at all. Had some issues with the back plate of the screen because of where it was messed up, where someone had tried to take it apart. Right here, they got some of the edging plastic is gone, but that's not the fault of the bezel. That's the back plate. But that's it. She fit. So, as a wrap up, if you need a new bezel for a model A1212 17-inch MacBook Pro, and the only one you can find is for a model A1229, get it. Works.